Welcome to Casa Viola, a recently renovated masterpiece set in Sierra Blanca. In fact, set in one of the most expensive streets in all of Spain. And here's why. I know that I say every time we film these incredible houses that I love them and they're amazing, and they are, because I love real estate. But I'm going to give you my opinion, which you should never do as a real estate agent. And my opinion is that if I were to design my dream home, it would be exactly this style. So let me show you why. Starting in the living room, as you can see, it's very warm, it's very inviting, but yet it's still chic, it's luxurious, it's modern. It's like a great family home, but also the rooms are large and ample. You've got lots and lots of light. Everything leads onto the mature gardens. You've got this huge office there with lots of light, cozy seating area, and these stunning parquet floors throughout, which are also heated. Now, I usually skip kitchens for no particular reason other than time. And it's true, in this case, there's a lot to show in this house, but the kitchen is so captivating to me, and I'm sure to you too. Look at the huge island, look at these beautiful windows showing the gardens. But again, it's somehow cozy and family oriented, and yet so luxurious and light. This beautiful plot, which is set over 1,850 square meters, is so elevated. You also get sea views, which is also fantastic. That's why we come here, to see the sea. But you have this lovely sense of privacy also. It's very mature, it's very green, but it's very private. You also have this beautiful area for obviously entertaining, having barbecues, and of course, this outside kitchen, which is so handy to be outside with your friends and family, and the stunning mountain of La Concha in the background. And I have to mention this swimming pool, which I would love to dive into, but I haven't got time. Follow me. So for those of you who don't know anything about Sierra Blanca, it's very important, and it's part of what makes this house incredible. Sierra Blanca is only 4 minutes drive away from the center of Marbella, and yet you feel like you're in the middle of nowhere. So we're going to do our silence test. Ready? Yep, nothing. And also 24-hour security. It's completely gated. No one is getting in here. That's what makes this place so special. As cozy as this house feels, it's actually set over 3 floors. It has an indoor swimming pool, it has a cinema, it has so much light and so much space and so many amazing things to see. And one of my favorite things in all houses, as you know, is the master suite. And this one does not disappoint. The lovely high ceilings, again, loads of light, a fireplace right there, big TV and so forth. But the most important thing is this view. You can see Puerto Banús. In fact, I'm looking at it right now. Imagine waking up in the morning, listening to silence and seeing the most beautiful views in all of Marbella. It's a dream come true. So before we leave, because all good things must come to an end, I'm going to give you a quick summary. It's 5 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, set over 700 square meters with a garden of 1,850 square meters with views of the sea, views of Puerto Banús, views of Gibraltar, views of Africa, and on and on and on. If you'd like to see this masterpiece, make sure that you contact us and, of course, subscribe. But for now, I'm out.